Alright, now we're looking at number 2 on page 35. We have a number of, it's actually a mixed number, 9 and 635,000. Remember, this is a mixed number because you have a whole number with a fractional part. I've done the same thing that I did earlier, where I gave you each digit in its correct place value. 9 ones, 6 tenths, 3 hundredths, 5 thousandths. And now when I break it up to write it in words, I write the 9, which is right here. I take my and then I write the rest of my number, which is 635,000. Just the way it is there. Anybody have any questions about how that is written? Okay. Moving on over to our expanded form and expanded notation. I have 9 and 635,000 written out. I have 9 ones, 6 tenths, 3 hundredths, and 5 thousandths. In expanded notation, working with our distributive property of multiplication, this means that I have 9 ones. That's 9 times 1. I have 6 tenths. I have 6 times 0.1 plus 3 hundredths. 3 times 0.01 plus 5 thousandths. 5 times 0.001. Any questions on how that is written? No? Okay, moving on to number 3, which is what you should have done on your own. Let's double check your work. It gave us the fraction, and we were to write the standard form number. We have a whole number of 57. Did I write my 57? Yes. We have the decimal, which is why this is separated, correct? Yes. Yes. And then we have 452,000. Is that correct? Yes. Okay. So when I break it up over here, I'm looking at my whole numbers, 57. I have 5 tens and 7 ones. Is that true? Yes. Yes. Okay. If I look at the decimal portion of the number, 4 tenths, 5 hundredths, and 2 thousandths. Is that true that that number is 452,000? Yes. Remember that you always end wherever you end, and then you look up and you ask yourself, where am I ending? In the thousandths place in this case. So your whole number is read 452, go on up, thousandths. So when it's written out, we're back to doing the same thing. We have 57. Did you write 57? Yes. Okay. We have our decimal, which tells us we write the word and then we have our next part of the number, which is what? All together. 452. Do I have 452? And then I go up, and what does it tell me I'm at? 1,000. Looking at my expanded form up at the top. Do I have 50 plus 7 to make 57? Yes. Do I have 4 tenths, 5 hundredths, and 2 thousandths, which make 452,000? Yes. When I look at expanded notation, this 5 tenths, this 50 means that I have 5 tenths. 5 times 10 plus this 7 means that I have 7 ones. 7 times 1 plus this 4 tenths means that I have 4 of the tenths. 4 times 1 tenth plus the 5 means that I have 5 hundredths. I have 5 times 1 hundredth. And I have 2 thousandths. 2 times 1,000. Is there anybody who has any questions on how this should be done?
No.
Is there anybody who is having trouble still with expanded form or expanded notation?
No.
Okay?